Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And both definitely pertain to the chart, but more so the red line up here, which is denoting resistance, up at $2.25. And I'm not patting myself on the back here, but I am patting charts on the back. You can see this morning during the first 30 minutes, price gapped up and surprise, surprise, got rejected right at that level. Now, I don't want to come across like I have some sort of secret strategy or system that nothing like that. Anybody can learn how to do this stuff. It's just a matter of putting in the time and effort, to learn how to properly use charts. So with that being said, 225 definitely confirmed as, that key level of resistance. So going into next week, if the bulls want to get any sort of further continuation, apparently, 225 is indeed that hurdle that the bulls will have to jump over to keep on moving upwards. On the support side of things, a very, very healthy day. Just because it was rejected up there and the price fell, that doesn't mean that the entire day was ruined or anything like that. Sure, I fully realize that, going sideways like this, is not nearly as exciting as when the price is skyrocketing. But, at the end of the day, it's all about, where's kind of the quote-unquote boring portion happening. So, yeah, today maybe was a little bit boring since it went sideways. So, you look up here at this, like I said, boring portion, and then you look at the last time it was boring, just going sideways. It was way down there. So, on boring sections, just keep on happening higher and higher, than where the previous ones were. That's always a good thing. So, that's the idea right there. You just want boring to keep happening higher and higher upwards. Easiest way to kind of measure is boring happening higher and higher, or in other words, who is, kind of in full control of the charts. That is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So as time unfolds, the easy way to look at this is just simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Or to go back to that analogy, all that means is that the quote-unquote borings keep moving higher and higher, and that's what you want to see from a big picture perspective. So nice day today. It'll be interesting to see if this one can get a breakout next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.